want to add text in your video, is either you click on T, like the letter T in your keyboard, or you come here and select title. So once you're done, once you select here, you click on the screen and you type. You can type anything. Nothing is coming through my head now. And then once you're done typing, Control A, click on it. Make sure you click inside what you've typed. Just click on anywhere inside, then you Control A. Once you've Control A, you come here to this place. This is your effect control. This effect control. You come here. This is your text. Then collapse this. You go down. You go to select the font you want. You can put Arial bold or black or anyone. Then you can increase the text. You can add stroke. Change the color of the stroke to black. Drag it all the way up here to change it to black. Then you can make the text. You can pick yellow or any color you want. Make it yellow. You can add a background. Let's add a background and let's add a red background. Make it 100. The corners of the background, you can make it 15. Whichever you like, you can increase it. Increase the background, the shape of the background. You can add shadow. Whichever you like, you can add shadow. Yes. So let's see what we've done. So this is your text. I don't like this yellow. Let's change the yellow text. If you want to change the yellow text, you click on the text again. You click on it, then you Control A. Then you go to this your color. You change it. You change it to white. And this is it. Then another thing is you can drag it to where you want it to stop. Probably you want the text to show from the beginning to the end. You can drag it from the beginning. Then you play it down to the end, or you can just make it start from here. Whichever you like, then you play it. So if you want to put the text in any way you want it, wherever you want it, probably you don't like it here, you can go here, click on your text, then go back and drag it and drop it anywhere you feel like dropping it. You can drop it here. Wherever you feel like dropping it, you drop it. If you want to drop it here, if you want it to be above, you can drag it and place it above. Wherever you want it, you can scale it, make it smaller or make it bigger, whatever you like. So that's how to add your text.